Good morning, everyone. It's Marcy, and welcome to Shout Out Saturday. This is an event held by Kara Brandon and her Facebook group, Kara Brandon and Friends, in which people sign up to have their YouTube channels shouted out. And so for today's shout outs, we have Kara Brandon Creations, of course. We have Charlotte of Ace in Beautyland, Debbie Zagarit, not sure how to say her last name, Denise of Papercraft D, Gardena of Handmade by Gardena, Jennifer Grillo Foster, Kelly Dowling at Mud Hut 2880, Michelle at Girly Girl Creates, Sherry of Studio 28E Journal Creations, Terry of Sweet Pea Papers, who I happen to know right now is doing she's making what do we call it? A template holder, sort of a folio type thing to hold all your templates in, which is kind of neat. And Tracy May. All of these channels will be linked below. Please check them out. And if you like them, subscribe to them. Let them know you like them. And I appreciate it very much. I'll leave that over here. And like I said, everything will be linked below. Okay, so Kara Brandon's Friday freebie. This is what we've got. Now, I'm not going to do anything with it just yet, and I'll tell you why. But it's beautiful. It goes perfectly with her Southwest Succulents kit that's in her Etsy shop. And I actually got the Southwest Succulents, but I haven't printed it yet. And so I don't want to do anything with these yet because I want to print out the kit to see what I might want to do with these. But I will be doing that next week. I'll be starting on the Southwest Succulents. I'm going to be doing a tutorial about how I made this honeybees and lavender folio. But I'll be using the Southwest Succulents for that. And for today, what I'm working on is Wednesday. We had Dear Julie. Julie had her VIP party for people that had finished their January junk journals. And the kit we got that we received for finishing was chocolates, and it's pages from an old, I believe she said 1907 cookbook, but it has these wonderful color images in it and some recipes. So I'm just making a little journal using the stuff from her kit. I've not done anything to the pages yet. The inside front cover is a collage page from the kit. And so that's what I will be working on for the rest of the weekend. But I just wanted to, I don't believe that as of the time I'm filming this, this is not in Julie's shop yet, Etsy shop yet. But hopefully it will be soon. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So on the front cover, I took this image from the kit, and then I just made a little label here for the love of chocolate and put that on the front cover. And I'm trying something new. New to me. I used, I printed this on a page and this on separate pages, and I made a soft spine. It's only a little 1/2-inch spine for this journal, but I've never done a soft spine before other than my truly soft cover journals where maybe I've used an envelope or something. And I wanted to try it to see whether or not I like it. I'm not sure that this 1/2-inch spine is really going to be large enough to give me a good feel for it, but I figure it's a good place to start, so I thought I'd try that out. Anyway, that's all I've got for today, everyone. I just wanted to stop by, check in, do my shout outs. Again, please check out these channels and show them the love. If you like them, let them know. They would really appreciate it, and I appreciate it as well. So until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.